Ilang araw matapos makatikim ng pagbabatikos ang socialite na si Kat Arambulo mula sa mga netizens dahil sa video na kung saan tila natuwa pa ito sa bahang kanilang naranasan ay nanghingi ito ng apology. Ayon kay Kat, humihingi daw siya ng tawad sa nagawa niya at sa pagiging insensitive niya sa gitna ng kalamidad na naranasan noong bagyong Karina. Dagdag pa nito ay ang nangyari daw sa kanya ngayon ay gagamitin niya upang mas matuto at ipaintindi sa kanyang mga anak na maging socially aware sa mga nangyayari. Sa ngayon ay mamimigay sila ng tulong sa mga community na naapektado ng bagyong Karina. I deeply apologize for my insensitivity and my actions, especially during a time of crisis. I hear you and I will use this as a learning opportunity for myself and to teach my kids to be more socially aware and active. I am now focusing my efforts on providing relief to different communities. My prayers go out to everyone affected. Kung matatandaan, maging ang aktres na si Bella Padilla ay nagpasaring din sa kanya. Sa totoo lang ha, napakaraming snowflakes kasi. Just because a rich person lightheartedly made a comment about the flood, ayan na naman ang mga bashers. Bakit hindi sila nagagalit doon sa mga nag-swimming, nag-dive, nagtampisaw, nag-drift sa baha? There was even this guy I saw on one video do a backflip into the flood. Pag mahirap ang nagsasaya, trying to make something good out of bad situation, okay lang kasi resilient sila. Pag mayaman ang nagsasalita, insensitive na agad. Maiintindihan ko kung naglabas si Kat ng yacht or jet ski tapos nagparty siya sa baha habang may mga tao na nasa bubong naghihintay ng rescue. No need to apologize, hindi naman pagiging insensitive yon. For sure, may masasabi pa din sila kahit nag-apologize ka. It takes humility to recognize that sometimes our privilege shields us from what others go through. We go through life unaware of issues because we don't have to. No apologies needed, Miss Kat. I think it really depends on someone's perception. Sending love, stay safe po. No need to apologize, Kat. You do you. You guys are fine and you are a lovely family. Don't let what others say affect your life and happiness of your family. Yes, there are crises happening, but it's not just in the pills. It's all over the world, but it's not your fault they are happening to begin with. Your high vibe turned out to be offensive to those operating on low frequencies. I feel that you truly mean well. I didn't think anything wrong about what you said. I think people just sensitive, but you did the right thing by apologizing. Kaya ayaw ng mga tao sa comments niya kasi people don't want their misery to be a trivial spectacle, leptospirosis, and mapapala natin if mag-swimming tayo sa baha. But hey, di naman nila mararanasan yun. I hope people magnify people's kindness too. It seems a lot nowadays are just waiting for someone to say or post the wrong thing so to give them the chance to act righteous. A light conversation between mom and her kids but sadly blown out of proportion because of a comment from a person who's not even a parent. I don't see anything wrong with the convo. Kat has several charity initiatives that a lot of netizens don't know about. Let's not be the type of person who find it so easy to question others and post it on SOCMED. Wala namang problema sa naging statement or nasabi niya about sa baha. Okay sana kung hiniling niya na sana may masaktan or mamatay. Normal lang na joke yon. Yung iba nga ginawang swimming pool yung baha sa kalsada. Yung isang mayor nga parang nag-MMFF ginawang motorcade. Masyado lang kasing ma-issue mga tao, besides wala ka namang ginawang masama sa ibang tao para husgahan, samantalang yung iba lantaran ang ginawang masama, di i-call out. Why do you need to apologize when you have no intention to hurt anyone? You're educating your kids and being out of touch is not your problem. Love lots, Kat. Don't see wrong sa video kasi gano'n naman talaga si Kat. If you are a follower of her, wala lang yun sa kanya. This ibang tao na super sensitive, wala na sa lugar na call out. For me, parang hindi dapat nag-sorry to si Mame. Parang sobra na mga basher ngayon at mga tao sa social media. So ano sila na ang magde-decide kung tama o mali ang sabihin natin? Walang inape si Mas Kat, wala ding ninakawan pero grabe siya i-bash. Insensitive yung VP nga ng bansa natin gumala pa na dapat nandyan, diba? She publicly apologized already, realized and admitted her mistake. Yun naman ang important, diba? Matuto ka sa mali mo and now she's helping because she can. Enough na sana ang bashing. Totally accept the apology kung talagang sincere at first time nangyari. Kaso booking na formula ni Akla gagawa ng kagagahan then apology after. Nagsorry na lang kasi na bash na naman siya. Wala talagang redeeming quality Sometimes, let's normalize not giving people second chances, especially if repeat offender na. She doesn't even have the excuse of being young and immature, who doesn't know any better. So, sang dali-dali mag-sorry talaga, lalo na pag sa social media. Same template sa mga public figures na may issues. Also, nakakainis na din talaga yung line na I will use this as a learning opportunity. Doesn't sound right to me, lalo na kung paulit-ulit lang din naman nagkakamali. So, ilan pa bang learning opportunity from the same mistakes ang kailangan? Go to her comment section, sabi ng iba okay lang daw, kesyo insensitive lang kaya di na need mag-apologize. Yes, it depends sa perception ng tao pero sometimes kailangan din may pagpapamukha ng realidad kaya kagaya kina Kat. Para makita nila kalagayan ng ibang tao na gaya nating mahihirapan wherein sa kanila di naman nila mararanasan at puro pasosyal lang. Naalala ko yung nagsampa siya ng kaso doon sa mga comments sa kanya dati. Tapang niya kasi may attorney sila kaya medyo tumahimik yung batikos sa kanya pagkatapos noon. Di talaga nagtatanda, di man lang pagsabihan ng asawa niya.